Menteri Rangba Kacela ukon rat ke sangma menhanin kesingi kekat reutarik risau. Ulalum ya kejingilang bat kinong hikai skul SSE haringkat kejingitan lang Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih. Ubak lakmen remboi, Komisioner Ketenat Puli Putih Vijay Kumar Mantri, bat ruki ofisar jo Ketenat Puli Putih. Haba keren cikilat petai kubor hadian balawai kejingilang nakaliang jo Presiden ke MSSA SA. Ubak aris totally si rembai, uloong bagajing ya kendo kalalong kabaseso hakaba Menteri Rangba ulapan pau. Baka sorkar kan yadaya kahok jong kinong hikai SSA hapo barok kawe kejala. Nalor kata uloong bahak bayadi bagajing kentiu tulom nakaliang jong sorkar kan pentri kam dakapi structure ya barok kinong hikai school SSA bat kentub ru ya ki fourth teacher.
Mentang kesengi nang sudah banyak syong bat is a very important meeting. Kepala chair da Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, agak tinggi don lang jong Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakmen Rumbui, but ki official naka Education Department nado Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri, Commissioner and Secretary, naka Director jong ka School Education and Literacy, SPD, but kwe officer jong ka Education Department. Nakalian jungi ngi pentip siya baro kinong hikai SSA po Kacela Meghalaya ba ka meeting menta kasri kalong ka it's a very positive very positive meeting. So today nakalian jungi Honorable Chief Minister ila akren na basyay ba the government will protect the right of the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya. Kumba pitip ba ka SSA kan sakut no ka funding by 31st March 2026. So we are very happy today that the Honorable Chief Minister make it very clear ba ka sorkar kan yada but kan protect ya ka service jong baro kinohikai SSA. Hakabay day bat kan ka pay enhancement mo ka bangin dawa baro sikata. The Honorable Chief Minister ila akren na basyay ba the government will come up with a pay structure for all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, including the fourth teachers. So to say, today meeting, we from the association, we are very satisfied with today meeting. And regarding the details, what we have discussed, we will disclose in the general meeting, which we will call once we receive the minutes of today meeting. Thank you.